The latest we're tracking on NDTV 24/7 at the moment. A fiery political face-off is brewing in Bengal over the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. In fact, Dilip Ghosh of the BJP and now Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar have launched a blistering attack on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her nephew Abhishek Banerjee, accusing the Trinamool Congress of shielding illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. While the BJP claims the SIR will weed out infiltrators, the TMC calls it a dangerous ploy, a distraction from Bengal's real crisis. Listen in to the reaction we've lined up for you from Dilip Ghosh and Sukanta Majumdar.
उनको चुनाव प्रचार करना है, उनके जो वोटर्स है जो छंट जाए यहाँ से, उनको मैसेज देना है। लेकिन इतना करने का बावजूद भी बांग्लादेशी खुद यहाँ से देश छोड़कर भाग रहे हैं। और जैसे जैसे SIR आगे बढ़ेगा, देखिए ऐसे बहुत बांग्लादेशी यहाँ से छोड़ के चले जाएंगे। चाहे ममता बनर्जी कुछ भी कर लें, वो यहाँ नहीं रह पाएंगे।
SIR को मुद्दा बनाने की कोशिश हो रही है, जबकि बंगाल की असली मुद्दा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, जॉब नहीं है बंगाल में। दैट इज द इशू। वुमेन्स आर गेटिंग रेप, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार हो रहा है, दैट इज द इशू। इन सब इशुओं को दबाने के लिए ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी।
Ritik Mondal has been tracking all the finer developments for us. Ritik joins us live this morning. Ritik, take us through all the latest developments as far as the political showdown over the SIR exercise is concerned.
Well, definitely, today is a big day for West Bengal as the distribution of, enumeration forms under SI is going to kickstart here in West Bengal, pan across its 294, assembly seats. And what we can see, the political war of what has begun. Remember, today, TMC, the ruling dispensation, has chose to, hit the street against SIR. The Trinamool Congress Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will lead a protest march here in Kolkata against SIR, starting from Red Road, and the march will end at Jorashakot, which is precisely known as the birthplace of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. On the other hand, the BJP is not, leaving any stone unturned to hit back Trinamool Congress. They said that in order to protect that Rohingyas or refugees and even infiltrators in the state of West Bengal, the TMC is protesting against SIR. BJP has said that it has its political agenda. The TMC, they have lashed out at Trinamool Congress Party. Remember, the leader of the opposition is also set to launch an attack and to lead a protest march in North Chobbish Pargana on the same day when Mamata Banerjee will be on the streets. It's a big day. What we know, as per the Election Commission sources are concerned, we are giving to understand over 80,000 BLOs will reach to over 7 crore, electorates in 1 month as this SIR process began in the state of West Bengal. Back to you.
Ritik,